Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Kalong kajing kerku yigi nong song snong jong athan war jantia khamtam yigi long yeng long sam kiba kham duna ga yo kakot hadin bu menteri ketanat pulih putih ke sorkar jela uba la kemen rembui hak khnai teri kolalengkot arja afulai ulabu yu mau nong rem nak benta bantai yak Eklavia Model Residential School hak snong umlat khur kasnong ka bahap hapo amlarem subdivision West Janti Hills District yakani school labu thong manchna pendap hapo laipo benai yakaba lamang pisa saupusan kelur nyopu kendai lak kendai kendai jatengka yakaba ontai deka company Wapcos Limited nakanong ba New Delhi hakajingbu iuniu maunong rem la sakhilang deka district school education officer ke kong APCM u commissioner and secretary jong tanat pulih putih u Dr. BDR Tiwari ke director jong school education and literacy ke kong Roset M Kurba ki officer jong amlarem subdivision berkontup yu subdivisional officer jong amlarem subdivision ke kong YR Maulong u block development officer u Dr. D Lingdo bat kiwe
ya lang it por nong lut khor ha chuwoi pan aburam ha no shme nong rim jong ka skor Eklavia Model Residential School tipo lut khor ka chutei pan aburam tikador sausan klur nyop khandai lak khandai hajar hai benta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ki noska chnong jong ka blok baro kami
Dostur ke jongi habangi don ki school kibangi phai ki khon ke jongi bon sen nakarukom im ke jongi kiba nong riloma bon sen ki khon kimpoi hoksha school te nakataka daw is la sngodai banwan ra dakum kan ni school ke bagi kena kinsa hapo school te nakataka daw ni ai ke burom ke bakrawi I namar ba ille bayo I jengai ban pe ya kata namar ngidon kam ki kena school hi haba ki lek pulie ki de ban shong ban pelot por bah school amdai ban lek be mesin ban lek ban lek shayo lek tong lek kumta ki wei pat ki kam ki ba pen bam por bah ki kena ban naka kam pulie.
It's really a pride moment under able leadership of Honorable Minister who is local representative of you people from this area, and with his dynamic vision and foresightness he is not only securing the peace in our state, maintaining law and order with his team in our state, but laying down the bright future for the state of Meghalaya and leading the team of education. So we all are very grateful to you, sir, for your kind vision, kind insightness and guidance to lead the education sector on higher side. And Government of India set up on society, National Education Society of the tribal students. So under this society, in each tribal blocks, under Ministry of Tribal Affairs, one Eklavia Model Residential School's provision has been made by the central government, and this initiative has taken a long way in different states. 38 places where we have to construct Eklavia Model Residential Schools, and that will be done under the NEST through their agencies. We have two agencies, WAPCOS and MIDC, And 2 schools, apart from these 2 schools, have been constructed by our own school education wing. And we are having proud under sir's leadership. These are the 2 first schools which are almost ready to start. While other places are about to take up the work, and this is one place in the Umlatkur village. This EMRS site has already been donated and all the procedural work has been completed. Government next has sanctioned for the construction, and WAPCOS is going to start the construction. And this is really a very, very pride moment for not only for the people, but for the education department also, as today is a landmark day in the history in respect to EMRS. The foundation stone is being laid down by our Honorable Minister, sir, in his very own area in Umlatkur village and Amlarem block. And I hope within stipulated time frame, agency will take up, and we will also monitor through our district team, and our Diesel and her team has taken all initiative to expedite the procedure, take up the work, start the momentum to start the classes in EMRS. And EMRS is going to benefit the tribal area like anything, because from 6th to 12th, these schools will be fully residential school with all facilities, including hostel facilities, everything. All support will come from the Government of India. And this will be a prestigious institution like Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya in the different districts. In each tribal blocks will be benefited with such kind of exclusive institution, and it will really help to upgrade the education and their future prospects.
Mano bala ban mudur ba haka naga shnong Umlatkur kan poi ka school kaba amdan kam jing siu nado class 6 hado class 12 naga benta ji mentoy jong udok usuk bat kiba kwa ban pule kane ka school kan ron kan penyaj da ka Mekhilia Residential Society kabaya menta ukli do jong kaw de Dr. BDR Tiwari but kiban lay school hang ne kidei tang na po ka Amrem subdivision kamtam yakinong Umlatkur kane ka singnang jing start kalang kabaran kam tang bangi kum ginong mi khmat teng teng syukut ha ka jing ong gi pai ba kum ne kum tai da kamau ha ka por ka ba phijit ye ginong mi khmat phidei ban jet da ki breu ki bala ban yasai bat ki bala ban ban ra ye ka roi ka pa kaong shnong Umlatkur kalong ka way na gishnong hapo ka 7 Amlarem kaba yo ijingay kala aya nga kanikalat bangan long nong mikmat amday tangi constituency haray nga yo abad ya ka education department but kane ka jing ay jing kersyan ka jong pi kala urlong menta ka singi hapo makhalia haw arja khat prala sanction artlik EMRS kaway hapo paham but kaway hapo samanda haden kata dang katugas ni arpauterik ngidang yo ya ka sanction na kabenta ka Umlatkur bat ka nong stoy balai barok kisti ki Meghalaya kampat yo balai piyo shwama pi kadaw kalong ba utray kalong kajing start kajong pi ba pilajet bat ngalala ban penurlong mano kita kiban ong ya pi bak ba yaw baduk ubasuk mano kibun hanray kan kiba shisha kadai kineke manga ke bangalaya la ban penyo ya kan ke school kaba lay school baduk ru kalong mdan kam jing seo den ta kadaw ngi kung ginong snong katu kasur kabakia tementa kalawe jong gisamla kasyong hapi manta kadai ka por kapin pe perkat hato ka election ka jingjit menong mikman kadai tang namenta si berang ne ka banwat yakilat kilenti pila i hak arpeu tri ku benai December ngilabu yaw mau nong rim jong ke hospital ka sub divisional hospital hajarai ka bangin play hang tu san peu jing thia na banta jong no hatu na ka banta ki bahari uspa kadai nak banta ki nong snong jang ne ka thai kadai nak banta ki baduk ki basuk ka hospital ka ban biang bat ki doktor kena doktor kentei bat ter den ka kadaw kalong teng ngi ku minong mikman kapen telot ban pe ya ki breu nation tur ki kwa ya ka roy ka par andayo ya ka roy ka par ki parpat ban nam yo i ya ka roy ka par ki don kum kita ki don mentang ibu manong rim ya ka school kindon ki breu ki nong oh dakum ne kum tai kamau lada pi ya ka roy ka par pide ban shai ki ka hostel playo ajan ka snong lajang kisurok playo umbamong di ka school batang don ki wei pat ka pinyo ngasay ong ba o nong o pai ba o de barius pa tam ka syong ha kinong mikman ka konstitusi jongi kalong ka badan bo kiskim pen roy ngila the hapo ka 7 amarem tang nang education department ngila the amduna ya ka nyaw pu arklur amdan ka weiro ka konstitusi hapo ka Meghalaya ampaddan ka weiro ka konstitusi hapo ka Meghalaya kabanyo nyaw pu sanklur hatu pinjit nong mikmat dakibalek ban ra ka roy ka parne ban shilek pe kai ya bara kiwe kamau hapo Meghalaya kiwe pe konstitusi ki adnot ki bishni namar ba labon palat balara sepok konstitusi amdei tang nyaw pawai klur nagbenta kanong talang college hapo konstitusi jongi yamanta lai klur system kisiw tulop ban nginang adhaw slim batmay sa riw pawlak ban siw tulop nagbenta kabikom hatu kato kamdei ban pamentoy ya pi nga si arpaw teli Kiying school, si pautli ka dalay penyolak, si pautli ka saw-sawlak nyopojar, santali arpaulak senen, langbak boda area, langbak Ministry of Tribal Affairs si paulak kubakat santali, hapop ng skap sa kursteng na ban snai hostel, jongger school kabangin slang anus ng banwan, bat hanong talang nong talang college bat sok ha ka bang implementa kasi kitu kidai ki hok jong upad ba shano ki ja ha ki por ki bunshwa kompi gum nong song snong po umlat khor kalate ka por lade ka por kawangi dei ban pik yala ki jong ki khmat ngim dei ban par ladang yo i bakaroy ka par kawan Ngatip ngibu yung mau nang rim ang ne. Kindon ni gibriyo giba kaman simbis pihon kanton hapo jangki. Bakitip ba kane kala urlang. Malboros kata ki ong bao la armbu suan tok wan syukur kemau la armbu umju tok. Ya ka bangala ngala ya ka bangamla ngong ngamla. Nga ay kublay ka snong kabalanok luy ka jaka khatsan akar. Khatsan akar. Bat ya ki kur ki jat ki bay day lang. Kam day ka basuk banyo jaka. Basa kaway kemau. Balay. Bangi bu umlat khor. Balay ngambu. Syanong talang. Syaway syar. Kane kajaka katang jongi syane. Kadai keberam kam tam na kamta kajing nang kajing start. Den takadaw. Ngidan kam ya ka school. Kane ka school kan ya ragat kerdan. Bat ki school hapo India baro. Ka school kaban airu. Ya kajihikai training na manta ka JEE na do school. Na manta ka NIT na do school. Bat ngakwa. Ban senangi kena ke school, Maria kena ke school ke project ki iPod Live Hope na mempendep ya kena building. Ngakwa ban senangi kena ke school hanus nang banwan. Ban senang ya kena ke school hanus nang banwan. Kasyong api. Namar ba? Kanong telang college ngin play hau khatway terik ke building jangka. Kito ki building jong nong telang college hang tei kilalai. Bangin persyang ban pan naki ngin persyang ban pan naki ladaki ai kalat na kamta arsnem temporary ngin ron. Ya kana ka school hang tu bat andala dep ya kana building ngin ra syene. Ngam kwa ban pensep ya ka por sisnem ro. Bando jiman toy jong ki khna. Den takadaw. Gini, manta ki briu lalang akren kum taem. Kibruk nong pek, uwan bu manong rim teh umlat khur, tabaka school kan sedang hanong talang, kindan bu ang kumta. Ngan batay syuhay fi, kindan. Kamau, bayo kabalong pum haus nem kendai pun riu. Hakapor balong. Education Minister, uwa jandeng por men bam kuah dua rubulai. KJNV mukhla, ladap jet ya kejaka. Bakan don hapo pren nom kera kap sok habat nong telang rehaden larapat syate syakli terciban sedang temperli bat ndal dep kila sedang situ kadang tadaw nga bodin ya kan ke school bangam kwa bakan jia kum tu dan tadaw kini engineer na po wap kos kiban execute bat ka local engineer ka kong saka rembay ka don hang ne kini implement yang project bam ngin dep kloy kat bala de takdaw ha kana kapor kade ka sngi ka red letter de hapok ka amrem subdivision jangi hapok amrem block jangi kumbang mene ka scheme ka bahetam ka project ka bahetam nadu bakhayangi hadu menta kade kane kadon na po snong umlat khor Bat ngas ngau tenang ai kublay ke officer jonga principal secretary additional chief secretary bat mentangi trailang bat pengkiu ke education ka education ko mga ong epi kaladon kanong rim ke baskem